Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Today I'm showing you how to watch YouTube videos in other languages. So I've got my video here primed. What you do is click on this gear setting and then you select the audio track and then you select the language you want to listen in. So for instance, we have French, Italian, Portuguese, Spanish, Japanese, Indonesian, German, Hindi, and then English. English is the original. On this one, you select France and you go ahead play. And then it'll play it in whatever language that you decide to watch it in. At present, this is only available for select channels, Kung Fu Maintenance being one of them, and it's only available on videos published after the start of 2025 or a little bit earlier. Time will tell if this gets rolled out further, and hopefully to other languages as well. Please bear with any mistakes in the translation, anything that's not perfect there, as it is a work in progress. So there will likely be errors, but please don't be insulted, or some of it may be funny, some of it may be insulting. If you don't take any of that personal or as a reflection on the video itself or on me, be greatly appreciated, but you can reap the benefits of learning repairs in different languages. This one selected German here. And there's also actually some other benefits that you can do. You can turn on closed caption and you can leave it in English if you're trying to learn English, or you can change the language for the captions also. Go to settings and subtitles, and you can select different languages if they're available. You can do it auto translate into different languages, and it might take some time for that to load. I'm not 100% sure on that part of it, exactly how all that works, but I do know that for now you can for sure listen to the audio in your own language and the closed captions in the original language. So this could be a great tool if you're trying to learn another language, as you can watch it in your native language and then have subtitles in the language you're trying to learn, or variations of that. So thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. Hope to be showing some good repair tips, and I hope to show improvements day by day. Thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. At present, especially Hindi, Indonesian, and Japanese are all very experimental, and so those may be prone to more errors. I have been going through and publishing them, but just be warned, there may be more mistakes than normal. Please don't take offense at anything in there. Just hope that you get the benefit from being able to watch the repair videos in native languages. Thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. Over and out.